Namaste, Suswagatam. I welcome you all to my channel Samskritalaya. In this video, we are going to see Standard 8, Lesson 3. The name of the lesson is Digi Bharatam. Actually, this is an essay about the digital India. So, in this lesson, it has been discussed about the scientific development that has been made. With just a single click, we can do many things. And with internet, the life has been made so easy, and even we can connect with people whoever is at great distance. It brings the people together even though we are separated by miles away. So all these things has been discussed in this lesson. So now let us go to the lesson. अद्य सम्पूर्णविश्वे डिजिटल इंडिया इत्यस्य चर्चा श्रूयते. अद्य टुडे सम्पूर्णविश्वे all over the world डिजिटल इंडिया इत्यस्य चर्चा means discussion. श्रूयते means it is heard. So today all over the world discussion about digital India has been heard. अस्य पदस्य कः भावः इति मनसि जिज्ञासा उत्पद्यते. अस्य पदस्य of this word kaha bhavaha, what is the meaning of it, or what is the opinion? Iti manasi jignasa. Jignasa means wish to know. Manasi means in the mind. Utpadyate means it has been produced. So in our mind, the wish to know about the meaning of this word has been arised. Kala parivartanena saha manavasya avashyakata api parivartate. As time changes, the requirements of a man is also getting changed. Prachina kale jnanasya adana pradhanam maukikam asit. Prachina kale means in olden times. Jnanasya of knowledge. Adana means receiving. Pradhana means giving. So, maukikam means verbal. In olden days, the receiving and giving of knowledge, it has been through oral. Vidya cha shruti paramparaya grihyate sma. Vidya, education, and also education. Shruti paramparaya means hearing, the tradition. Okay, it has grihyate means it has been grasped. It was grasped. Grihyate sma means past tense. So it was grasped. Education was grasped through hearing. Anantaram talapatro pari Bojapatro paricha lekanakara karyam arabdham. Afterwards, upari means above. So above the palm leaves and the boja leaves, lekana karyam arabdham means writing was started. So after that, the writing has been started on the palm leaves and boja leaves. परिवर्तने काले कर्गदस्य लेखन्याः च आविष्कारेण सर्वेषामेव मनोगतानां भावानां कर्गदोपरि लेखनं प्रारब्धम्. परिवर्तने काले means in its next years, कर्गदस्य of paper, लेखन्याः of pen, च आविष्कारेण. आविष्कारेण means by invention. सर्वेषामेव means of all. मनोगतानां भावानां means the feelings that has been felt in the mind. Kargada upari means above the paper. Lekhana means writing. So prarabdham, it has started. So in its next years, by the invention of the paper and the pen, all the feelings that we got in our mind, we started to write on the paper. That is, writing has been started. Tankana yantrasya avishkarena tu likita samagri Tankita sati bahukalaya surakshita atishtat. So Tankana yantrasya avishkarena, by the invention of typing machine, likita samagri means the written content. Tankita sati means it that has been typed. Bahukalaya surakshita atishtat stands secured for long time. So by the invention of the typing machine, whatever the matter that has been typed, it stands as secured for long time. Vaigyanika pravidhehe pragati yatra punarapi agregata. Punarapi agregata means it developed more. Pragati yatra means the development. So the development of science, it has started to develop more. अद्य सर्वाणि कार्याणि सङ्गणकनामकेन यन्त्रेण साधितानि भवन्ति. अद्य today सर्वाणि कार्याणि, all the works, सङ्गणकनामकेन यन्त्रेण, so by a machine called computer, साधितानि bhavanti, happened. So today all the works, it is happening because of a machine named computer. समाचारपत्राणि पुस्तकानि च कम्प्यूटरमाध्यमेन पठ्यन्ते लिख्यन्ते च. समाचारपत्राणि means newspaper, पुस्तकानि books च, and books कम्प्यूटरमाध्यमेन through computer, पठ्यन्ते is read, लिख्यन्ते is written. So through the computer, the newspapers and the books, it is read and it is written. कर्गदोद्योगे वृक्षाणाम् उपयोगेन वृक्षाः कर्त्यन्ते स्म. So कर्गदोद्योगे means in paper industry, vrikshana means of trees, upayogena means by the use, vrikshaha trees, katyante sma. Katyante sma means it is cut. In paper industry, the trees are cut. परं सङ्गणकस्य अधिकाधिकप्रयोगेन वृक्षाणां कर्तने न्यूनता भविष्यति इति विश्वासः. परं means but, सङ्गणकस्य of computer, अधिकाधिकप्रयोगेन by more and more use of this computer, वृक्षाणां कर्तने in cutting of trees, न्यूनता decrease, भविष्यति it will be, इति विश्वासः it is believed. So with the use of more and more computers, count will come down, cutting down the trees. It is believed that. Anena means with this or by this. Paryavarana Surakshayaha, protection of environment. Dishi means in this direction. Mahan Upakaro, great help. Bhavishyati, it will happen. It will be a great help for the protection of environment. अधुना आपणे वस्तुक्रयार्थं रूप्यकाणाम् अनिवार्यता नास्ति. अधुना nowadays आपणे in shop वस्तुक्रयार्थं to buy things रूप्यकाणाम् अनिवार्यता, the need of rupees नास्ति, it is not so. So nowadays in shop to buy things we are not at all in need of rupees. डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड इत्यादयः सर्वत्र रूप्यकाणां स्थानं गृहीतवन्तः. सो डेबिट कार्ड एंड क्रेडिट कार्ड इत्यादयः, all these सर्वत्र everywhere रूप्यकाणां स्थानं, the place of the rupees, गृहीतवन्तः. गृहीतवन्तः means it is accepted or it is received. So everywhere we can pay the amount with debit card and credit card. वित्तकोशस्य चापि सर्वाणि कार्याणि सङ्गणकयन्त्रेण सम्पाद्यन्ते. वित्तकोशस्य means bank. चापि also सर्वाणि कार्याणि, all works सङ्गणकयन्त्रेण with computer सम्पाद्यन्ते. सम्पाद्यन्ते means it is happened. So in bank also every works with the help of computer it is done. बहुविधाः अनुप्रयोगाः मुद्राहीनाय विनिमयाय सहायकाः सन्ति. बहुविधाः अनुप्रयोगाः. अनुप्रयोगः means apps. बहुविधाः means many types. So many types of apps. मुद्राहीनाय विनिमयाय cashless transaction. सहायकाः means helpers. Santi, so they are. Nowadays many kinds of apps are helping in cashless transaction. Okay, so kutrapi yatra karaniya bhavet रेलयान यात्रापत्रस्य वायुयान यात्रापत्रस्य अनिवार्यता अद्य नास्ति. कुत्रापि means wherever. Okay, so wherever yatra karaniya, it is required to go traveling, bhavet. Okay, so bhavet is lidhilinga. रेलयान यात्रापत्रस्य, यात्रापत्र means ticket, train ticket. वायुयान यात्रापत्रस्य means air ticket. So anivaryata means requirement. Adya nasti, it is not needed. So if wherever we want to go, there is no need for us to take the train ticket and air ticket nowadays. सर्वाणि पत्राणि अस्माकं चलदूर भाषयन्त्रे ईमेल इति स्थाने सुरक्षितानि भवन्ति, यानि सन्दर्श्य वयं सौकर्येण यात्रायाः आनन्दं गृह्णीमः. So सर्वाणि पत्राणि, all papers, अस्माकं चलदूरभाषयन्त्रे, अस्माकं means ours, चलदूरभाषयन्त्रे means in mobile phone, email इति स्थाने, in place called email, सुरक्षितानि भवन्ति, it is secured. यानि सन्दर्श्य means on looking at, वयं we सौकर्येण with ease, यात्रायाः आनन्दं, the enjoyment of the tour, गृह्णीमः, we can receive. So without carrying the papers, the train tickets or air tickets, just with having a phone in our hand and in a place named email, everywhere it is secured. So on just looking it, we can enjoy the travel with ease. चिकित्सालये अपि उपचारार्थं रूप्यकाणाम् आवश्यकता अद्य नानुभूयते. So चिकित्सालये अपि, चिकित्सालये means in hospital also, उपचारार्थं means for treatment, रूप्यकाणाम् आवश्यकता, the requirement of money, अद्य today न अनुभूयते. न अनुभूयते is न plus अनुभूयते, so not enjoyed. आवश्यक, here also आवश्यकता अद्य is आवश्यकता plus अद्य. Okay, so sandhi is there. So in hospital also, for getting treatment, there is not at all a requirement of money. सर्वत्र कार्ड माध्यमेन, ई-बैंक माध्यमेन शुल्कं प्रदातुं शक्यते. सर्वत्र, everywhere, कार्ड माध्यमेन, through cards, ई-बैंक माध्यमेन, through ई-बैंक, शुल्कं means fees, प्रदातुं शक्यते, it's possible to give. So everywhere, with the help of this card through and e-bank, we can able to give the fees. तद्दिनं नातिदूरं यदा वयं हस्ते एकमात्रं चलदूरभाषयन्त्रमादाय सर्वाणि कार्याणि साधयितुं समर्थाः भविष्यामः. तद्दिनं नातिदूरं, तद्दिनं नातिदूरं means those days are not very far. यदा वयं we haste in hand ekamatram chaladura bhasha yantram adaya means, so only just having phone, sarvani karyani, all works, sadhayitum, to achieve, samarthaha, bhavishyamaha, we will be able. So those days are not very fair where just we, by having phone in our hand, we can able to achieve everything. Those days are very near. In that sense, we have to take it. Vastraputake rupyakanam avashyakata na bhavishyati. Vastraputake means in pouch. Rupyakanam avashyakata, requirement of money, na bhavishyati. It will not be. So it is not required for us to carry the rupees in pouch. Passbook, checkbook, इत्यनयोः आवश्यकता न भविष्यति. The requirement of passbook and checkbook, it will not be so. पठनार्थं पुस्तकानां समाचारपत्राणाम् अनिवार्यता समाप्तप्राया भविष्यति. पठनार्थं for reading पुस्तकानां of books, समाचारपत्राणां of newspapers, अनिवार्यता requirement, समाप्तप्राया भविष्यति, it has come to an end. So those days are come to an end where for reading or studying there is no need for us to have a physical book or to have a physical paper, newspaper. लेखनार्थं अभ्यासपुस्तिकायाः कर्गदस्य वा नूतनज्ञानान्वेषणार्थं शब्दकोशस्य अपि आवश्यकता न भविष्यति. लेखनार्थं for writing, अभ्यासपुस्तिकायाः of practice book, कर्गदस्य of paper, वा or नूतनज्ञान अन्वेषणार्थं शब्दकोशस्य अपि dictionary. Avashyakata means requirement. Na bhavishyati means it will not. So for writing, there is no need for practice book or to have a paper. To find the new meanings of the words, there is no need for us to have the dictionary. अपरिचित मार्गस्य ज्ञानार्थं मार्गदर्शकस्य मानचित्रस्य आवश्यकतायाः अनुभूतिः अपि न भविष्यति. अपरिचित मार्गस्य unknown path ज्ञानार्थं to know. मार्गदर्शकस्य मानचित्रस्य means मार्गदर्शकः means one who tells the way, the path. So that is called margadarshakah. So manachitrasya means of map. Avashyakatayaha, the requirement of, anubhutihi api na bhavishyati. So what it is said is, for knowing unknown places and to find the places where it is in map also, we are not at all in need of this map. Etat sarvam ekena eva yantrena kartum shakyate. So etat sarvam, all these, ekena eva, with just one machine, yantrena means machine, kartum to do, shakyate, it is possible. So all these can be possible with just one mission. Shakadi kriyartham pala krayartham vishrama griheshu kaksham sunishchitam kartum चिकित्सालये शुल्कं प्रदातुं विद्यालये महाविद्यालये च अपि शुल्कं प्रदातुं किं बहुना दानमपि दातुं चलदूरभाषयन्त्रमेव alam. Shakadi kriyartha means to get vegetables, to buy vegetables. Phala kriyartha means to buy fruits. Vishrama griheshu kaksham sunishchitam kartum, to secure the tickets or to secure the rooms in restaurant or in resorts. Vishrama griha means where the place where we can do this relaxation. Chikitsalaye shulkam pradatum, so to pay the amount in hospitals also. Vidyalaye mahavidyalaye cha api, in schools and also in colleges. Shulkam pradatum, to give fees, to pay fees. Kim bahuna, what else? Danam api datum, so we can able to give even danam. Okay, so danam means in helping people. Chaladura bhasha yantrameva alam. Alam means enough. So this phone itself, it's enough for doing all these kinds of foods, all these kinds of things. So to buy vegetables, to buy fruits, and to reserve rooms in resorts, and in paying amount in hospitals, and in paying the fees to school and colleges, and also to do danam, the mobile phone is just enough. Digi Bharatam iti asyam dishi vayam bharatiyaha drutagatya agre saramaha. Digi Bharatam iti asyam dishi. In this direction named Digital India, vayam bharatiyaha, we the Indians, drutagatya, very fast, agre saramaha, we will develop. So we will all, we the Indians, we will develop very fast in a direction called Digital India. So with this lesson 3 comes to an end. I hope you like this video. If you did so, please subscribe to my channel. Also please share it across with those whom you think might benefit from this. See you in Abhyasa video of this lesson. Thanks for watching. Thank you.